This is a TuToTu helicopter Kiddie by MH Leisure, so let's do this. It is extremely rare. I'm sorry if I found this. I want to film it so badly. Yeah, remember MH Leisure in about 2023. Unlicensed 2. I'm not sure really. Oh. Yeah. It used to be refurbished by normal. It used to be made by Northern Leisure, but it went out of business sadly. So that's why it's been refurbished by MH Leisure. Dominique's meant to do nothing on this, on there. But yeah, I don't understand why they put Brody Power there. It says Healthy Tower or something. Heli to the rescue! Up, up, and away! Yeah, the light works there. Yeah, this is my third by Amanda Fangirl for some reason. Heli to Tower. Sounds like Amanda Fangirl who voices this. Yeah, there's Bing over there. I'm not going to film that. Yeah, it turned out to be for some reason. That was a TuToTu helicopter Kiddie by MH Leisure.